Hey, it's Shawn Ziem, the Connection Machine, aka the Insurance Doctor. Today, I've been getting lots of calls, messages, and when I ask for declaration pages, what is that? And I wanted to go into detail so those that are out there, realtors, mortgage professionals, other accountants, financial advisors looking to help their clients, they know what we're asking for when we do that. Before I get into it, all right, so I have my declaration page. Things that you'll be finding on there is your policy number, who your agent is. If it's not my LO Manzi or the Connection Machine, aka the Insurance Doctor, definitely you've got to reach out to us so we can have a conversation. We have if it's a mortgagee build or if it's paid by insured, meaning you might be paying out of pocket every month with a credit card or a check, or your mortgage company will bill your mortgage company and they'll pay it with the escrow account. You'll have the name and insurance. That'll be whoever husband and wife is or whoever's bought the property, your address, the policy period, which should be annual, and you also have the dates. Mine is coming up in November. You have the dwelling coverages. If God forbid something happens to your house, it burns down, you'll get it back to what it was before it was burned up. And the amount that it is, it comes into basically an algorithm or a proprietary system that you plug in all the information, a lot of questions that you have on the form that I send you to fill out. I plug it in, we get that number. For mine, it's $486,000. You have other structures, would be like a garage, and usually it's about 10% of what the dwelling coverage is. Personal property, again, is another figure that is anything. If you take your house, flip it upside down, shake it, personal property that comes loose will be covered under this policy, under this area. Loss of use is what you would be utilizing if, God forbid, you have to use a hotel to go to for the time being to before your house is repaired. Personal liability, I highly recommend $500,000. If anyone slips and falls down the stairs, has an accident at your property, you have $500,000 or more, highly recommend it. Medical pay to others, at least $5,000. Deductibles, usually I recommend $1,000. Some people, sometimes certain companies will drop a hurricane deductible of 1, 3, or 5%, and that is 1, 3, or 5% of your dwelling coverage. So instead of $1,000, if it's 5% on mine, it'd be over $20,000, and I would have to pay out of pocket the first before they pick up the rest. Other things you might see, you might have let's see, equipment breakdown, inflation guard. I have jewelry scheduled on my policy, limited fungi, ordinance and law, workers' comp. These are things that you're going to see standard on all of your policies. You're going to see, and I'll probably do a separate video, mortgagee. The mortgagee should be the bank name, its successors and or assigns as they may appear. They have ASAOA/ATINA, PO box, whatever number, the city, state, and zip, and then your loan number would all fall underneath the mortgagee clause. You'll get that in the back of your mortgage statement. You have replacement costs, additional sometimes. You'll have some credits. You might find replacement costs for the building, service line coverage up to 10 grand, water backup, sub pump, very important to have. These are things that you should all find in your policy. If you have anything, if you haven't looked at your policy in the last number of years, it's a great time to have second opinion homeowners insurance review. I would love to help you with that. Take a look at it, look through 12 different companies that we represent, and see if we can, get you the best coverage for a fair premium. Don't always go with cheap. A lot of people have cheap policies, and it's really not worth the paper it's written on. So make sure. If you have any questions, don't forget, take a look at set up a connection call with me so we can go over some of the things. Take a look at connectionmachine.biz, and don't forget to take a look at a couple playlists that are right here. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that share button because we want to help as many people as possible. If you have anyone in process, those in real estate, mortgage professionals, share this video with your buyers so we can help them go on through the process as easy as possible. I'm all about education. So as always, I'm here to help motivate and inspire. Have yourself an awesome day.